Hey, it's Beatle J, and this is my latest Beatle find. It's live at the Hollywood Bowl, and I've been spending a ton on Beatle records as of late, and this one's at a real bargain. It was only $5. I got it actually on a marketplace, and this is done for the Ron Howard film 8 Days a Week. It was mastered by Giles Martin. That's the son of George Martin. And I got to tell you, this thing sounds fantastic. It's just like being there. It's from shows from 1964 and 1965. The record was pressed in Germany on a 180-gram vinyl, and I'm noticing a little bit of weight on the 180-gram. The record is a double gatefold, but I got it in its shrink wrap, and I'm not taking it out of its shrink wrap. Just going to play it once and then file it away or sell it. And I guess it was KRLA who put on that show so many years ago. The boys taking a bow for putting on such a great performance. The Beatles live at the Hollywood Bowl really is the only official live album of the Beatles. The titles include Twist and Shout, She's a Woman, Dizzy Miss Lizzie, Ticket to Ride, Can't Buy Me Love, Things We Said Today, Roll Over Beethoven, Boys, A Hard Day's Night, Help, All My Lovin', She Loves You, and Long Tall Sally. Bonus tracks, You Can't Do That, I Want to Hold Your Hand, Everybody's Trying to Be My Baby, and Babies in Black. Well worth the $5.